Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And another thing you need to do is to allow the notification access for the HUAWEI Health application on your phone. To do it, open the settings on your phone, then tap on search right here and type in notification notification access, basically. Access. Okay, and it should show this notification access. You can tap on it and it will bring you to this page. Tap on notification access. And once you see this page, you should see the list of applications, and we have allowed and not allowed. And HUAWEI Health application needs to be on the allowed list. If it's not, tap on it and tap on the switch next to allow notification access to enable this option. I'm gonna turn it off now and turn it back on. And once you tap on allow, it flicks on and it appears on the allowed list. Once notification access is enabled for the HUAWEI Health application, we can or you should be able to control the music on your phone with your watch. So open some kind of music app. I'm gonna use YouTube, but you can use Spotify, Tidal, or anything you like. Let's find some songs. Okay, it could be, for example, this. So I'm gonna open this video, pause it for now, and now go to your watch. So once you open the music player or media player on your phone, wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the side button. Then you can swipe right on the screen, and here you should see the music controls, and the watch should detect the music you're playing. And you can tap on the play button to play or pause the music. You can tap on the speaker icons right here at the top to increase or decrease the volume. And you can tap on the next song to go to the next song. You can tap on the previous song to go to the previous song. And once you're done controlling the music, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also open the music controls menu by pressing the side button to open the menu, then scroll down and look for the music, and you can tap on it to open the music controls. Okay, and once you're done controlling the music, like I said before, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.